always was a dream to come to Germany. A strong reputation of KIT in the field of material science and mobility.
For me, Germany was a spectacular experience. I felt valued here in Germany, and also the infrastructure you have. It's amazing to do any kind of experiment you could think about.
I've been at KIT before I got my PhD here. I left in 2011. What kept me coming back was the bridge between fundamental science and applied science, and the openness of the academics and the partners from industries.
Karlsruhe was a sense of opportunity for me. I was raised on a working farm in the United States. I did not have a background that said, I'm going to go on and be a researcher in the United States. In Germany, that didn't matter. Here we have such equality of chance.
Overlapping Science Week and Alumni Week had been a really good idea because we had so many new ideas for future collaborations and projects.
Germany is a hub for international people, and we gather here together, and I see all these disciplines together here. And for me, it's exciting what we heard, for example, in the Science Week, this connection with the city and with the people. For me, it's amazing.
I've learned a lot from the other researchers, all from the new ideas, either for mobility and sustainable productions.
And the partnership that the KIT has with Stuttgart through the ICM was really informative, which I'm really excited to pursue.
Before, I didn't have an idea that there are a lot of things in mobility where I can connect. But during this week, I found 2 or 3 areas that I feel that I can direct my future research to these areas.
KIT has a great impact on my research perspectives. Not only KIT, but also German research institutes like Fraunhofer ICT. With their huge infrastructure labs, Germany is a very good country, and it's the best place to do a research and even to learn how to do the research in a good, productive way.
What this week has been great about is introducing me to other researchers with similar backgrounds and pointing out areas where we might collaborate in the future. How can we take the lessons that we worked on all week long together and spin these into actual tangible projects? And I think that has been an unparalleled opportunity. Again, opportunity that I couldn't have had otherwise.